Monday, Monday.
Oh my days!
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah, oh my days.
Thursday, Friday.
Oh my days!
The weekend comes.
I've just myself. Hi guys, welcome back. Very special one today. I've come up to Scuderia and we're dropping off my buddy SuperGav's Ferrari 812 Superfast for some modifications, because when you've got a standard 812 Superfast, it's a bit boring, isn't it, Gav?
Yeah.
So we're dropping it off for some mods, and we thought it'd be a great idea to do a kind of before and after video. So I'm going to get Gav to talk around what he's having done, and then we're going to come back in a few days and pick it up and see the transformation. So, Mr. Gav, can you remember what you're having done?
No, is the honest answer. Yeah, when an 812 Superfast isn't enough out of factory, I thought we'll have it tweaked and tuned. So, as Rick said, we're down here at Scuderia in West London, and just the other side of Richmond. So check the guys out if you're into your Ferraris. And yeah, we're a fantastic facility here. But as some of you may have seen, this is my 812 Superfast, as it says on the number plate here. And when you look at the car itself, in the triple layer, I think it's Russo, you might have to bleep that out. You know, for me, the car is essentially beautiful, but there are a few things that need the SuperGav treatment. So first of all, if you look around the back here, I think it needs a bit more carbon. So we're going to have a carbon spoiler fitted on the back here, just to give it that extra flick. And again, if any of you have seen the 812 in Largos, I'm not having the in-Largo body kit, by the way, but I'm going to try and make it look like that as well. We'll talk a bit about the exhaust a little bit later on, because that's the main thing that's being done. But I think when you look down the side of the car, I think for me, it hasn't quite got the stance I'm looking for. You can see that the wheels are in sectored body, and also it's sitting quite high. So what I'm actually going to have done is going to be lowered, have spacers, bigger wheels, so 22s on the back, 21s on the front, just so it fills out the arch, and ultimately gives us a stance that's a lot lower and a lot more aggressive. Think of if the 812 was a Formula 1 pace car, what that would look like. That's really what I'm trying to go for, is that type of look. And then round the front here, as factory, you've got the carbon pieces on the edge here, but again, you know, for SuperGav, it's got to be the full Monty. And the guys here have just said that once it's been lowered and I've got that new front spoiler on here, it's going to be quite low. So yeah, really looking forward to that. I think other things that you know, we're having done, which I think are really important, are basically under the bonnet here is probably the best engine of the lot. It's the V12 naturally aspirated, let's call it 800 brake horsepower engine. It's the best Ferrari have done. The problem you've got is out the back here. Whilst it sounds great, don't get me wrong, and I think Rick will lay testament that it does roar.
Oh yes.
I actually want it to sound like that Formula 1, you know, the 90s, the F12 Formula 1 cars. So what I'm having done here is we're having new downpipes from the heads. We're having an X pipe in the middle, and then it'll be a straight pipe to the back with basically some what we call resonators at the back here. So it's effectively a straight through exhaust. It will be regulated because I'm told it's going to be ear-shatteringly loud, which I want to be able to go loud as we go through tunnels. So at the end of the day, you know, that will complete the look, and the guys here, you know, they're going to do a fantastic job for us. And yeah, thanks again to Rick. And yeah, looking forward to getting it on tour with all the modifications done. I do want it to be the most aggressive 812 out there, and I think I'm going to get that.
Probably should have a quick noise test.
A quick noise test?
Let's do a noise test.
All right.
So there we go, wave goodbye to Gav's car, and we'll catch up with you guys in a couple of days. Mr. Gav.
Yeah.
It's been a couple of days. We're back.
Yeah, on my days.
On my days. Going to be on my days. Are you excited?
No, not really. Yes. What do you haven't slept for 2 days? Yeah, still here. That's a good sign. Oh God! Look at the spoiler.
All he's seen is a carbon lip.
Oh, look at the wheels. Oh man. My days.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Oh wow. Oh mate. Oh mate. You right there, Gav?
Now that is. Look at that. Look at the size of the wheel.
Oh yes. Oh look at that, mate. Oh, that is awesome.
Oh wow, I've got tears in my eyes. That's actually really emotional.
That is awesome, mate. Honestly, that is awesome. Oh, that's something else, mate. That is something else.
These spaces, God, I'm
No,
actually
it doesn't.
crying.
It really doesn't.
Oh, that's made me cry.
You all right there, mate?
No.
Oh, mate, look at that. Oh, come on, mate. Look at it. Look at it. Honestly, mate.
That's how it should look.
Isn't it?
Look at this.
That's beautiful. That's really nice. It really just sets it off.
Oh, that is just unbelievable. That's better.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's really good.
Exactly how I wanted it. Wheels lined up. Nice gaps.
Right, Gav, he's about to fire it up.
Yeah, I don't think I can take
maybe
it.
I should get my reaction as well.
Yeah, come on, let's get that.
Honestly. Yeah, go on, do it.
Bloody hell.
Honestly.
Yeah, I was going to say it's a warm start.
That's a warm start.
Oh, God.
Give it a little rev up.
That's a V12. That's what it should sound like.
Oh my days! Wow!
Hang on. What? Was that with a valve shut? I think it was.
No.
I've just f***ed myself.
Oh my days! Oh no way! When I heard the valves go, I didn't realise that was with a valve shut. So two's obviously.
I mean, that's
Not a remote! Do that again, do that again.
That's number one, so that's obviously valves closed.
Closed, yeah.
Until you boot the car.
that's porn mode.
It should be like a little 18 sticker on there or something.
That is just
That's
unbelievable.
ridiculous. Mate, they're gonna hear you coming before they.
It's a brick.
That's insane, man.
I've never heard anything like it except on a Formula 1
Sounds like a
circuit.
Formula 1 car, mate.
You don't need the valve open.
No.
It sounds amazing.
We thought that was it, and then when the valves opened, his face went like that. I nearly myself. Yeah, see, it's having a smoke now, you know. No, cheeky puff.
Oh, wow, man.
What do you think?
Oh, come on, mate.
Well,
Honestly,
I tell you what,
mate.
I am absolutely stoked. I can't believe it. I'm
That's
actually
insane.
crying here. That's it. I wanted it to be an F1 pace car, and short of having the lights on the top now, I think mission accomplished. Do you know, I'm shaking. It's that
That's
violent.
amazing.
Yeah.
I think it's safe to say that you're a bit pleased.
Yeah, yourself. But then it wouldn't be me on a video if I didn't say that. But
Oh, well, yeah, exactly,
this here is now a proper 812 pace car.
Isn't it mega?
It's just
Looks
wicked.
so good, man.
Yeah.
It's so good.
I actually brought me to tears.
Also wore my Toy Racer t-shirt today.
Cool.
Available from Ctrl+Shift.
Yeah, I think I've got my control and shift
Oh, there
on
we go.
as well.
Oh,
There
we're
we
double
go. So,
control and
yeah.
shifting.
Yeah, shout out
go.
to those guys. Yeah, awesome. Been brilliant. Great to have Rick here as well to share the emotion of the day. But my God, what a motor car. What a
It's
motor
going to be
car.
mega. Also, Gav's really excited because he's now got to drive this Ferrari home. He hasn't got to come back home
No,
with
the
me
Civic.
in the Civic. Although it's Friday afternoon, we're going to go sit in some traffic.
Yeah.
Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Like, subscribe, share, all that sort of stuff, and see you on the next one.
Ciao.
Oh, see, it's all going up the wall already. Mind yourself, Gav. You make your place look on top. You make your place look untidy. Mate, thank you ever so much indeed, bro.
Take care.
Thanks for the tea as well. Good tea. Good tea.
That's all I've been good at, I think.
That's fine, mate. That's fine by me. Take care, buddy. Thank you ever so much. She was very happy.